I'm going to go over dented rough areas, the hood, sap, bugs, scratches, the lights, scuffs, glass, all the things I'll show you. And then I have a ton of tips. Scuffs come off really good. So yeah, this is more than a scuff, but still, check this out. These are just things that I picked up the hard way when I first started using it. So you're going to start with half trigger sprays. Less is definitely more. I went too heavy at first and had to buff out extra product. A light mist is plenty, especially on smoother panels. For bug splatter or sap, let the spray sit for 10 to 15 seconds before wiping. You'll be surprised how easily it loosens up without scrubbing. Let's do some more down. Really kicked on one right there. Doesn't want to come off. Let's do that one. Always use 2 microfiber towels, one to wipe, one to buff. Buff it out. The second towel is what really brings out the gloss and avoids streaks, especially on the glass. Speaking of glass, it actually works great on windows and mirrors. Just spray lightly and follow with that dry towel right away. I had 0 streaks. If you're working on plastic trim or headlights, the finish is super clean and even. Let's do the lights. Wow. They look brand new. It won't make matte trim shiny, but it'll make it look fresh, so that's perfect. And on rough or dented areas, it won't fix the damage, I wish, but it will make the surface look smoother and the scratches less noticeable. Definitely need to finish the hood. Just go section by section. You're not supposed to do this in direct sunlight, but for demonstration purposes. Take your time and don't overthink it. It's honestly way easier to use than I expected. It works just as well with just a light spritz, so don't overdo it. I used to have a business painting cars before I became a registered dietitian, and if I had this when I was bent over a hood trying to clean it off, this would be life-saving. Definitely check it out. Highly recommend.